In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the long and short prediction tool in TradeLocker. Now, the first thing you want to do once you're on your chart over here, first, of course, you want to select the instrument you would like to trade. So for me, I have the Bitcoin USD over here. And then you want to go to the left-hand side of your chart. And here you'll see this little icon over here. So this is going to be the 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one. And then when you click on this arrow button right next to it, it's going to show you a few things. The first one is the long position, and the second one is the short position, as you can see over here, and these are the two separate tools. Then you want to click on the one you would like to use, so for example long position, and you want to go to your graph and you want to position yourself wherever you would like to, of course, use it. You want to click on there, and just like this, as you can see, your tool has been placed on, either a long or short prediction tool. Now you can of course change this as well, like that. You can of course make it a bit bigger, you can make it like that, so you can adjust it the way you want to, and then you can just click away and you'll be able to see it on here on the chart. If you don't want it anymore, you can just right click it, remove, and then you've removed it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.